these, here I am back in the file. These scrolls, so when I click here, see how they scroll the way to the top now pretty easily? Scroll very easily. If the scroll's giving you a hard time, I want to show you here. Here I am, I have this selected. You have, this is your spaced out selections. These are all frames. And look over here, not clipped. Clip is off. The vertical scroll frame that the selections live in is just as big as the bottom of this whole frame, the part that's going to scroll. Prototype says vertical scrolling. Also, clip is off. The big frame, the container frame that holds them all, both this header, this says search, it should really be header. Header with the apply button and the vertical scrolling frame, this is the one that's clipped. So if you just clip the overall container one, that will help you make sure that your scroll works.